Today I will show you how to create a class and add students to your class into your MCGraw Hill accounts. I'm gonna start with English, then I'll show you how to do that in math, and I'll end with science. By now you must have your students' usernames. So let's go first to English. We'll go to Manage and Assign and Class Details. Now I have already created one class. This is my class with 25 students. Let's say that I have another class. So I'm going to create class. I'll just call it whatever you want to call it. Let's call this 2B. Use Simplify Login, yes, and go next. I am teaching grade 2, so a simplified login for this class will be more useful. Then next. I'm going to choose the teaching starting day. I'm just gonna choose randomly. Let's just stick to today's date. And next. Proceed. And then save. Proceed. So now that I have my class, I'm going to add students to it. So let me go to the class. Let's go again to Manage and Assign, Class Details. And let's go. I have here class name 2B. If you want to choose your class, you go up here in this corner and you will choose your different sections. So now we are creating 2B. I have no students yet, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a student. Now you can search with the first name. It's easier if you already have the username, because if you just type the username, the name is going to appear automatically down here. So let's just go with a username. It's searching. Here it is. So I'm going to click on him. I'm gonna click on the name and I'm gonna save it. So you are going to find that here. You're gonna find the name here. Let's say that by mistake you add a wrong student. You can easily just remove him here. So you'll have to do that with each student. Again, just add student and enter the username. Then you will find the student. Click on him. Let's find another one. Search. Here he is. I'm gonna click on him and save. He is going to appear into my class. So that is for English. Let's go ahead and do math. Let's go back to the main page. And now I'll go into math. So you're gonna do basically the same thing, but where to do that, let's see. Here we go. Go to menu, class management, and here you're going to find your class and do the same thing, basically add student. If you don't have a class yet, you will do the same process of create a class, name your class, and then you're going to add students one by one. And basically you will need the same thing. You will need a username, or if you type the first name, you will find a long list of names because it's going to search in the whole school data, all the alleys that are there in your school. So that's why you need to have the usernames with you before you start with this process. And let's go to science. So now for science is a little different. You must have your class already created. And then if you haven't done that, you can check my video, another one of my videos in which I showed you how to create a class in science. But here, let's go to Rooster. Here is where you're going to add your students. You will edit the student roster, and then you're gonna find your student. You will find the list of the whole school here. So that's why it's easier, as I mentioned before, that you have already your usernames. Let's say that I'm looking for an Ahmed. So I chose this Ahmed. Now, how do I add him? I have to go all the way down and save roster. And here it is. But now Ahmed actually doesn't belong in my class, so I need to delete him again. How do I do that? I go back and edit student roster and look for the student that I don't need in my class and just remove him. And then don't forget to save roster at the end of the page. So that's basically it. I hope you learn from this, and thank you so much for watching.